Hi, I'm Francisco Servant. We've probably met already. If not, I look forward to meeting with you. I see that you've scheduled a consultation with me. Um, I understand that that is a difficult step sometimes to just schedule a consultation with a lawyer. Usually people don't come to law firms unless they feel like they really have to. And it can be a hard thing to even schedule that meeting. So you've done that. Good job. Law firms can be intimidating. Traditionally, the lawyers are intimidating. I hope I can dispel that about our firm, that we really don't want you to be intimidated by us. We really want to work together and answer your questions. So I look forward to meeting with you in person, and I think that you'll notice some things are different about how we do it here. At our first meeting, we give you that free consultation, so you don't have any obligation. Just bring all the information with you that you think we might need to look at, so that we can figure out exactly what's happening, so we aren't left with a bunch of questions after that. Getting to the point where you actually schedule and put on your calendar a time to meet with a lawyer is a really important first step. Don't wait, don't postpone that meeting. If it's already on the calendar, let's do our best to try to both make it and make it happen. I've done a lot of first consultations, and what I've noticed is that a lot of people literally leave that first consultation feeling a huge sense of relief. They will sort of pour out their hearts at that meeting. We will identify exactly what the problem is, or maybe you have an opportunity, but we'll really narrowly define that so we both understand each other. We understand exactly what needs to be done. And even if that's all we need to do for you, you can leave knowing exactly what the issues are. And people have left our initial consultations with just a great sense of relief because they finally get those really important questions answered. And I want you to have that. So whatever we can do to help keep that appointment, let us know. We're happy to try to accommodate and make sure that that appointment is completed, right? That we get to it and we get done. So at our first consultation, we will go through and I will be asking a lot of hard questions, and that's just the way I need to get as much information about what the current problem is, what's happening. I will be asking maybe some tough questions, maybe some personal questions, but it's really with the goal of getting to the real issue so that I can understand. Once I feel like I've got an understanding of what's at stake for you, I will lay out exactly what the options are. I mean, you might have 4 different things you could do. You could do A, B, C, or D, and we'll talk about what the cost and benefit of each different option is. Some of those options might be where I propose a solution that I say you can hire us for option C. Some of those options are going to be you can go do something on your own, and occasionally we're able to identify that, and that's great. I want to make sure I just clearly define what the different options are. And if you can leave that meeting knowing exactly, very clearly, what are the options and what are the costs and benefits of the different options, then I will have given you exactly what you need to know to go forward and solve the problem. And that's what I want to do. I want to do that for you. So I hope we can. I hope we get to meet, and I look forward to meeting with you in person. If you have questions before then, please feel free to call our office, and we'll do what we can to make sure we get them answered.